Hi everyone, Stephen here from Exertis CyberUnplugged. So today's video is a little bit different to our usual cyber explainers. I'm joined by Matthew Camilleri, the founder of Castillians, an organization that's doing something really interesting in the world of engineering talent and project delivery. So if you've ever tried to build or scale a technical team, you'll know it's not always that straightforward, right? So the right skills can be hard to find, projects need momentum, and sometimes you need specialist expertise now and not in 6 months' time. And that's where the guys at Castillians come in. And we are delighted to say that we are partnering with Castillians as a distribution partner, making it even easier for our customers to get access to this capability when they need it. So Matthew, maybe if you could briefly describe what Castillians does and I suppose what makes your skills bench solution unique.
Sure. Castillians provides customers and partners with engineering capability on subscription, basically driving resilience, agility, scalability, and validated track record. Our solution leverages off our global vetted network of engineers, where we have active teams in 32 countries and counting.
I get that idea of the skills bench. So then what kind of organizations typically benefit most from your service? And I suppose what kind of problems are they trying to solve?
So in our home market, we have been servicing end customers across a number of different sectors, predominantly in telco, banking, gaming, fintech, among others. All these customers still have busy, ever-evolving digital journeys, and Castillians provides them with Vbenches for specific skills mixes, which they can build domain knowledge into and rely on longer term.
Okay, very good.
Today's digital journeys are not value-adding, they are downright mission-critical.
Okay.
And not being able to access the right skills, and more importantly, scale to deliver to spec and on time is hugely costly.
Okay.
And this is what drives the bottom line in today's world.
Sure, yeah.
With our international rollout via Ireland, we are seeing significant interest also from the channel, where the pressure on the traditional skills bench is even greater.
Okay.
The cost of building engineering capability in specific areas of expertise is obviously becoming very risky and expensive.
Sure.
With Castillians, channel partners can secure their specialist capability for a low monthly subscription and then dial it up when they need it to deliver to their customers.
Okay, so they can scale as they need and then scale back down.
Exactly that. The subscription means these partners have their own managed benches always available, with the peace of mind that our engineers have all had their track records rigorously validated.
Okay, so they're vetted in advance and the companies will know what they're getting, and that's proven in the market. Right, so Matthew, maybe in plain language then for the folks out there, what does a client experience when they engage Castillians, I suppose, from first contact through to deployment?
Sure. So Steve, it all starts with the onboarding demo, where once a subscription is signed, the company gets access to their Vbench for each strategic skills mix.
Okay.
The company has the last word on who remains on the Vbench, but otherwise the bench is managed for them with guaranteed availability.
Okay.
They have full control of who from our vetted community joins their Vbench, and they can then start utilizing capacity.
Okay, so they choose the resources.
That's it. Each subscription includes world-class support services, from onboarding to ongoing deployment of skills, with a monthly performance meet at its core.
Okay.
Our first customer, a telco who signed with us 15 years ago, has been actively building benches on Castillians every month since then.
Really? Wow.
And our customer retention is well over 80% over the period since we launched the original platform.
Wow, okay. 80%?
80%.
Wow, that's impressive. All right, Matthew, let's think about some of the challenges customers might have out there, right? So in terms of organizational challenge, what are some of the big ones that you see where people are trying to build and scale teams? And maybe what does Castillians do to try and help maybe overcome some of those challenges for organizations?
So predominantly it's cost, time, and delivery risk.
Okay.
So the cost driver for any channel partner or end customers is not actually the cost of the resource, but in project delays where they are buying or selling. So the cost to the user company or the opportunity cost to the channel partner dwarfs any resource cost.
Okay.
Our Vbenches, on the other hand, are more agile by being more specific to our customers' strategic skills for that year. Our platform fields world-class engineers on each and every bench with certainty.
So Matthew, maybe you could share with our viewers out there a kind of a specific example, case study, success story, where a client of yours saw a significant benefit, whether that's quicker time to market,
Yes.
cost savings, or improved quality? You tell me.
Okay, all right. So let's keep it here in Ireland.
Okay, good show.
Okay, so a Big Four firm here in Ireland is building a managed tech service,
Okay.
needing very specific high-demand engineering skills over the next 3 years. The firm opted for Vbenches on Castillians rather than skilling from their own global network, as they felt they were building their own Vbenches and capacity for the longer term,
Okay.
rather than receiving what's available after larger firms in their network.
Okay.
Quality of specialization was deeper than that available in their network.
Sure.
And with our Vbenches, they were also accessing regional capacity within time zones.
Okay. Okay, Matthew, so just thinking about metrics and outcomes maybe, what are the key things that you track to show value to a partner organization that might be taking up your Vbenches?
So Steve, the value in the subscription is all about productive capacity.
Okay.
And productive capacity for us is measured in ratings. Now we have stats from the last 5 years post-deployment.
Sure.
And 98% of Vbench ratings over the last 5 years come in between good and excellent.
Wow, very good. 98%.
98%.
Okay, that is high, to be fair. So just thinking about that new distribution partnership as we set off on this journey together, what additional value can organizations expect when they engage through ourselves to get to you guys?
Okay. So firstly, we're very excited about our partnership. Exartis is a significant distributor of brands like Cisco, Fortinet, and Dell, among others.
Sure.
So partners of Exartis can either A, buy more professional services from Exartis,
Okay.
like network engineering support around Fortinet, for example. The second area is they can buy platform subscriptions so they can build their own Vbenches to deliver their own professional services to their end customers.
Okay.
And lastly, they can also distribute our platform subscription down to their end customers who need strategic Vbenches activated in specific areas where their SI partners do not necessarily provide professional services.
Okay, so they can, I suppose, get value out across a range of different areas there. So Matthew, maybe let's take a look ahead. Let's cast into the future. What developments or innovations at Castillians should our audience out there be aware of, and how might those, I suppose, shape how organizations plan that engineering and delivery in future times?
We will soon be labeling engineers who are AI ready.
Okay, have to mention AI, it's very important.
Yes,
Yeah.
which basically means they would have a validated track record using specific AI tools in their areas of engineering expertise
Okay.
in specific sectors.
Okay, so it's AI, not AI for AI's sake, but actually AI applied into the
Yes.
skills areas that these guys
I mean, we've been doing AI engineers for some time in terms of Vbenches, but now it's finding AI skills which are validated when being applied in specific engineering areas in specific sectors.
Okay.
For the channel, for example, partners will be able to distribute co-branded platform solutions and access their own account activity dashboards going forward.
Okay, very good.
And that should be released in the coming months and quarters. And a third area would be the platform also surfacing branded track records. So partners and customers can build Vbenches for strategic skills developed at enterprise organizations.
Nice, okay. So plenty coming and lots of development kind of continuously ongoing. Is that
Very
right?
busy, very busy, but a lot of it is inspired by our customers and partners.
Okay, so you're taking feedback from the people that are using your service and I suppose wrapping that back into your product then?
Weekly.
Weekly.
Yeah.
Nice. That's weekly. WEEK.
Yes.
Very strongly.
Yeah.
Nice. Listen, Matthew, thanks a million. That was
Thanks, Steve.
some great insights there, and a really clear, I suppose, view on what you guys offer and what we'll be offering together out into the market. So I guess if you're out there, to recap, if your organization needs to accelerate delivery, plug high-value skills gaps, or bring in proven engineering capability without the overhead of traditional hiring, Castillians via Exartis provides a flexible, high-quality way to do that. And with this new partnership, we can help organizations engage quickly, structure the right delivery model, and make sure those teams integrate smoothly with your existing ways of working. So if you'd like to learn more, whether that's a conversation, a demo, a pilot engagement, or just a deeper look under the hood, you know where to find us. So just reach out to your account manager or any of the Exartis team. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.